there. Oh no. Hey man. Oh. What? Oh, am I? I can't be. There's no way. I felt good. Hey. Tilly, can you hear me? Tilly. Her ears kind of moved. Come on, dude. Get up, walk. Let me try something. Oh, what just happened? I feel like I must have fell asleep, man. Oh, hey, there's you guys. Hey, man, let's get walking.
Good morning, folks, and happy Halloween.